Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra, and today I will show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. Now to get started, you will want to hold your power button, and from the boot options that will show up, select power off twice. And when the device turns off, we're gonna hold the power button and volume up at the same time. This will take us to the boot mode. So here we will need to use volume buttons. I don't know if we can use both. Use a volume up, down. Yep, we can use both. So with that in mind, you want to scroll till you see recovery mode, then press power button, and this will boot us into recovery mode from here. Now there's a chance that before we enter recovery mode, we will see, oh no, never mind. Usually you have also Android kind of command thing, but this takes us straight to recovery mode. And here we have all the options. We have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which would take us to the previous page. We also can enter fastboot mode from here, wipe data, factory reset. Let's see if in here, oh, I just think wiped my phone instantly. Okay. So typically you would have a little bit more options here than I did. We also have power off. Now let's just hope that this just glitched and didn't reset the phone, but I have a sneaking suspicion that it did. But we'll see in a second. Now the reason I clicked on that is usually under that kind of option you also have wipe cache partition option, but if it just wipes the phone instantly, then that means that there's no other options under that one. Oh, it looks like it didn't wipe the phone. Yay! Okay, so it looks like it just bugged out. Now, in any case, as you've seen me do, you can navigate using volume buttons, and power button will be used to confirm whatever was selected in there. But with that out of the way, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.